What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We got your art therapy chilled out session for you this evening with our Zentangle pattern and our 5-minute affirmation video at the end of the show. So what are we all waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and a motivational artist. I upload art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday I upload Mandala drawings, and on a Tuesday I upload Zentangle patterns and also affirmation videos for you to be leading that positive life. If that's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. So last week, Wednesday's Mandala drawing, it was my last drawing from my How to Draw Mandala book. This book right here. For the last few weeks now, I think the last 24 or 25 weeks now, I've been drawing into this book. Now completely finished and completed. All the drawings that I did in this book is in a playlist, which is just at the top there. We're just going to have a little look for all the Mandala drawings that I did in this book, so you can see the completed, finished version of this book. So let's have a quick look at that video. So you can see you can make some really nice mandalas using this book. It's a great little lifesaver, it is. You don't have to sit there drawing any of the circles. You can just get down to it and just start drawing some really nice patterns. Like I said before, the playlist is in the description below, or you could have just clicked that link that was in the top just a little while ago. You can pick up the book from my Amazon store. You can also, I've also created lots more colouring books, notebooks and journals. Check out my website. Check out my website for that. You can see all those books in there. They are going to be making some really cool books, especially for primary kids. These books are handwriting books, but they also have a space at the top for your kids to be drawing or doodling in at the top of those pages as well. You can pick these books up from my website. And moving on to today's art therapy session, we are going to be drawing a really cool plait this time. We're going to be drawing this nice little plait. It looks a little bit difficult, it does, but trust me, it's really simple to do. Just follow along on the video that's going to be coming up using a pen, pencil. You can draw this one if you have the Mood Tracker diary. You can draw this in there as well, even though it's not in a box. You can draw this plait inside that box. It's going to be a bit of a tiny one, but there is space in that book on the opposite side where it's a nice blank page. You can sit there and draw this nice little plait in your book too. So what were you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that. Give us a like if you did. And now it's time to settle down, chill out, relax, and time for your 5-minute affirmation. Get comfortable, close your eyes, and start to relax. It's chill out time. Close your eyes and get comfortable. Relax. I give myself permission to do what is right for me. I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals and dreams. I use my time and talents to help others who are in need of my help. What I love about myself is my ability to block out negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. I feel proud of myself when I accomplish a goal I have set for myself. I give myself space to grow and learn. I allow myself to be who I am without judgment. I listen to my intuition and trust my inner guide. I accept my emotions and let them serve their purpose. I give myself the care and attention that I deserve. My drive and ambition allow me to achieve my goals. I am good at helping others to fulfill their dreams and goals. I am always headed in the right direction. I trust that I am on the right path. I am creatively inspired by the world around me. My mind is full of brilliant ideas. I put my energy into things that matter to me. I trust myself to make the right decision. I am becoming closer to my true self every day. I am grateful to have people in my life who care and look after me. I am at peace with who I am as a person. I make a difference in the world by simply existing in it. I am in control of how I live my life. I am allowed to take my own path. I put my energy into the things that matter to me. I am free to create the life I desire. I am capable of making my own decisions. I trust in my ability to make good decisions. My future is bright. I deserve success. I give myself permission to do what is right for me. I give myself the time and space to grow and learn. Failure is just one step on the way to success. Taking the small steps every day can help me achieve big goals. I have the freedom to set my own goals. I have the potential to succeed. I am open to future opportunities. My emotions have purpose and value. I trust myself and my feelings. I accept myself just the way I am. I feel safe and secure wherever I am. I am calm and content. now open your eyes and feel more motivated. Thank you for listening. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo, this is Romeo Sketches, signing off.